Let's learn a useful Tagalog phrase and say it in different emotions because the meaning depends on how you say it. The phrase is, ang kapal ng mukha mo. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Literally, that means your face is so thick. Supportive. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Next is disappointed. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Okay, good. Next is in denial. For example, you have a crush and then you haven't told them yet and then they kept assuming that you have a crush on them. You're gonna say, uy, ang kapal ng mukha mo. Lastly, of course, angry. Kapal ng mukha mo. Now, it's your turn. Try saying that phrase in different emotions and tag me in your videos.